beluga whale is an Arctic and subarctic cetacean. It is one of two members of the family Monodontidae, along with the narwhal, and the only member of the genus Delphinapterus. It is also known as the white whale, as it is the only cetacean to regularly occur with this color, the sea canary, due to its high-pitched calls, and the melonhead, though that more commonly refers to the melon-headed whale, which is an oceanic dolphin. Belugas are easily recognizable for their striking white coloration, which is especially pronounced in adults. Unlike other whales, they lack a dorsal fin, which allows them to navigate under ice in their Arctic habitats. The adult beluga is rarely mistaken for any other species, because it is completely white or whitish-gray in color. Calves are usually born gray, and by the time they are a month old, have turned dark gray or blue-gray. They then start to progressively lose their pigmentation until they attain their distinctive white coloration at the age of 7 years in females and 9 in males. The white coloration of the skin is an adaptation to life in the Arctic that allows belugas to camouflage themselves in the polar ice caps as protection against their main predators, polar bears, and killer whales. Unlike other cetaceans, the belugas seasonally shed their skin. During the winter, the epidermis thickens and the skin can become yellowish, mainly on the back and fins. When they migrate to the estuaries during the summer, they rub themselves on the gravel of the riverbeds to remove the cutaneous covering. Belugas inhabit Arctic and subarctic regions, spending their lives in the icy waters of the Arctic Ocean and adjoining seas. They are known to migrate seasonally, moving towards shallow coastal areas during the summer months. Belugas are highly vocal and are often referred to as the canaries of the sea due to their diverse range of vocalizations. They use clicks, whistles, and other sounds to communicate, navigate, and locate prey in their environment. They are highly social animals and are often found in groups called pods, which can range from a few individuals to several dozen. These pods play a crucial role in the socialization, protection, and hunting behaviors of belugas. In captivity, they can be seen to be constantly playing, vocalizing, and swimming around each other. In one case, one whale blew bubbles, while the other one popped them. There have also been reports of beluga whales copying and imitating one another, similar to a game of Simon Says. There have also been reports of them displaying physical affection via mouth-to-mouth contact. They also show a great deal of curiosity towards humans and frequently approach the windows in the tanks to observe them. Belugas primarily feed on fish, crustaceans, and other marine invertebrates. They use echolocation to detect and capture prey in the water. Belugas are listed as near threatened by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. While they are not currently endangered, they face threats such as habitat degradation, pollution, and climate change, which affect their Arctic habitats and food sources. Their unique adaptations, such as the ability to maneuver in icy waters and their specialized echolocation abilities, have allowed them to thrive in their Arctic environment. Belugas hold cultural significance among indigenous Arctic communities and have been an integral part of their traditional way of life for centuries. Efforts to conserve belugas include habitat protection, monitoring populations, reducing human-made disturbances, and conducting research to better understand these enigmatic marine mammals and their changing ecosystems.